Hello, flat earth researchers, debaters and debunkers. Okay, this is the shortcut to understanding flat earth. Okay, first of all, stop looking at horizons, stop debating the shape of clouds, perspective, all that stuff. Forget about that for now, if you like. Forget about NASA images, finding faults in NASA images and spending your time debating over the little points of these things, what could or couldn't be. Forget about it. They're all cuts that add up to 1,000 cuts that eventually kills the globe. Okay, but it's a long process. Ding, ding, you know, proof by proof. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, look at the root of the whole issue. The root of the whole issue. Okay. We all have this. There's this immediate. We instinctively know there's an immediate relationship between flat Earth and globe Earth thinking to our existence. Yeah, it very quickly comes into play. The whole religious angle, the whole meaning of life thing. Okay, it all very quickly comes into play. The discussion soon centers around that when you start talking about the flat Earth. So why is that? Why is that? Because the globe Earth, the way it's been created, the raison d'etre for the globe Earth, and therefore for our very existence, is gravity. The way it is perceived in this cult. Yeah? The Big Bang, evolution, all that stuff, all centers on this one thing, gravity. Being the creator, being responsible, the creator, the God, being responsible for the Big Bang, which gave birth to the universe, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, gravity becomes the creator, okay? But this is just theory, and I don't just say that, you know, in the usual sense that it's just theory. The whole thing, the whole assumption about planets, you know, that people keep referring to all these measurements and things taken years ago. The Venus transit, it's impossible. It's impossible to have gained a measurement of millions of miles off the Venus transit when, look at the footage, yeah? Anyway, I'm getting off track, okay? This is the shortcut. Explore gravity. Explore gravity. Look into gravity. Think about gravity. Gravity is just a thought experiment anyway. That's all it ever was. A fucking thought experiment. Yeah? And they had to draw balls and make them spin to make it fit this brain fart. Yeah? That's where it's come from. That's why we're on a ball Earth. Yeah? Because it's a drawing to represent some idea. And it pertains to the reason we're even here discussing it. That's why it's so powerful. But this is it, okay? You can talk about the sunsets and the times, and you can look at the moon and this and that and everything, you know, you can do all that. That's all good stuff. It's all good research, but it's just, you know, one tiny little poke in the globe at a time. It takes time. Examine gravity, and of course, once you realize, once we have severed this connection with the idea that we're in a congregation, we're unwittingly members of a congregation, of a church we never signed up for. Yeah, but we've swallowed their beliefs. Yeah, don't you get it? So, once it's really clear that gravity has nothing to do with this reality, then everything falls into place, because, as we see, if you get some water, and muddy water, and you shake it up and then you leave it in a jar, well, you just get layers. Layers of the most dense stuff at the bottom, lighter stuff at the top. Water above that, air above that, yeah? That's it. It's reality. A flat plane.